Day 2 on the new funded accounts. I'm up $892, bringing my total account balance to 1,920. Good day. Took 3 trades, which is my max. 3 trades is my max. That's my rules. Took 3 trades today. The first 2 are losses. The last one was the win. I could have improved on my first 2 trades. Kind of was a little bit impatient. I'm going to show you guys right now, but that's something I would like to work on. But overall, I'm proud of myself today. My risk management was good. My price action reading was good. I was more patient than usual besides the first 2 trades. That was about it. But overall, just a lot better. So yeah, let's hop in trading view right now. So pre-market, we woke up at like 9 or 6 my time. But yeah, I noticed that we left Asia highs here. No, we did not take out Asia highs. We did not take out London highs either. So I was keeping a note of that. But we were building structure, and building bearish structure, we tapped into a 1 hour PDR, I'm pretty sure. Or we had like a SMT at top. Yeah, we had like a SMT right here. Did not tap into any fair value gaps, but we did have a change of state on the 15-minute right here, creating this 15-minute gap that I saw at 6:45, and we tapped into it at 8:30 and creating a 1 minute change in state of character, change in state of delivery. I don't know why I said that. Change in state of delivery right here, and then I knew this draw was gonna get taken out. That was pretty much my draw in the morning. This low right here, and we did take that out right away. I think at market open we took it out. Yeah, 9:30 we took it out. So yeah, this was a pre-market trade. 9:30 opened up higher, then just straight up dumped, and I thought we were gonna hit the 1 hour busy, and at 9:40 around this time we were rebalancing to the first percent fair value gap, and there was also a 5-minute fair value gap right here. So once we tapped into the 5-minute fair value gap and the first percent fair value gap, I was on the 15-second chart looking for an entry. And where was it? Yeah, right here. So we tapped into the first percent fair value gap, got a change of state with this small fair value gap right here, and then thought this was a good time to enter. So I entered right here, set my stop at the high. But okay, this trade was good. Or this trade was okay. This trade was okay. I should have realized that we left equal highs here, relative equal highs right here, and the macro is about to open up. So next time I would want to be a little more patient, recognize that we would probably want this high sooner or later because we left equal highs there, and we should just wait for the macro. We took the trade like right after the 15-minute candle opened up. So just a little bit more patient next time, and recognizing what price is doing, because those equal highs were extremely sus. I should have realized that. I should have not taken the trade there. And we also had this bullish value gap here too. So that was the first trade. Got stopped out, lost. Second trade, took it like 10 minutes after. Not even 10 minutes after, like 5 minutes after. And that is because I was so committed to the short. And that is what I need to start changing. Marrying my bias is something you would not want to do. I need to realize that I need to let price tell me where it wants to go without me assuming this is where price wants to go. So the candles tell the story, and I need to just read the story better. But yeah, we had this big displacement upwards, and I still thought we were short because we were still in the first percent fair value gap and the 5-minute fair value gap. So I was just looking for a short because we were so bearish in market open, and I thought we were going to get to the 1 hour BISI here or even lower. But that's another thing too. The 1 hour BISI was probably the only target unless we wanted this sell side all the way down here, which is 200 points away, which is mostly unlikely because yesterday we had a big distribution day. So that's another reason, or that's another thing I should be paying attention to. Reading the higher time frames, reading where price would most likely go to if it had somewhere to go to. So yeah, that's another mistake or not really a mistake, but something I want to really pay attention and improve on. But yeah, Boom, second trade, same thing. This was the trade that I should have been more patient with. At least I sized down for this trade, but this trade is something I would want to be more patient with. Not even like not even 5 minutes after I took this other trade, because I was assuming we were gonna respect the 5 minute and the first presented fair value gap and just dump. But we should never assume. We should read price. We should understand where the price, what the candles are giving us. So yeah, another trade got stopped out, and then after we flipped the first presented fair value gap and flipped the 5 minute, I knew that we were bullish. Stop looking for shorts, and that was amazing. Good bias flip. That is when I was recognizing what price wanted to do. I wish I understood that sooner, or not really, not even not even understood, but I wish I waited a little bit longer and just let price do his thing without entering the second trade, because the second trade was just very unnecessary. But yeah, flip the first presented, flip the 5 minute. We're bullish. Target was Asia highs for sure. That was draw liquidity. Asia highs, London high, one of them. That was draw liquidity. And then we took this long right here after rebalancing back into this 1 minute fair value gap and in this 5 minute fair value gap right here. So 1 minute and 5 minute overlapping. I just set my limits. I was bullish right at 10 right here. So I was hoping for retracement. I set my limits at the constant encroachment of the fair value gap, and then I sized in a little bit more up here. So that's why my fill was up here. But yes, this was a trade, really good trade. Got me like 1300, I think. Perfect trade, and yeah, that's about it. Full transparency, could have improved on a couple things, but overall proud of myself for today. Tomorrow's gonna be Friday. I am horrible on Fridays. Something about Fridays, I don't know if it's like the end of the week or I don't know. But tomorrow I'm gonna be a little more cautious because I know Fridays are not my strongest points. Gonna be targeting base hits, small wins, and yeah, just be like the main goals: discipline, patience, and following my rules for these accounts to show that all the unprofitable traders out there like me could do it, and we all could do it. So yeah, day 2 done.